Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Yep, we have another unboxing and it's a Sahara, I think it's called a Sahara P35, double check, yeah P35, it's a black tower, mid tower, so it's not a crappy giant one. Got one of them upstairs, big giant tower. I'll show you one day, I think I've done a little video on it. Anyway, we'll get on with this and shut up. It's a gaming case with RGB lighting, so if you like RGB lighting you'll probably like this. Comes with 4 fans. You can add some more fans if you want. I've seen people put extra ones on the top and extra ones on the bottom, so it's entirely up to you. So yeah, so I thought we'd do the unboxing and then I'm going to put all my old bits of computer into this case until I decide whether or not to put new bits in there. So with that I'll shut up and we'll get on with the unboxing then, shall we? I'll get my little knife. Put it along. There you go. Move that out of the way. Bit of tape now. Get out of the way. I put it on this table and I hope it's going to be strong enough. What I really need is another table like that so I can do my unboxing. That'll have to come at a later date. So I'll turn it over so I can get it out without breaking it. So it should come with everything in the box. Like I say, it should come with 4 fans, RGB controller, because that's what I've ordered. Tight, chuck that in there. Chuck that in there. I wouldn't have thought it'd come with any instructions. It might do, but not normally. We'll see. Or if it does, it'd be very minimal. A bit like that thing now. It said it takes a DVD, but yeah, it does if you do an external one. Internal one it doesn't. So right, you've got a magnetic filter. See that? Looks like it just sits on top. So you can put another 2 fans in there. It hasn't got fans in there. Got one at the back somewhere. Yeah, got one at the back. I'll quickly turn around. So that's the back side. You've got a tempered glass there. So there's 3 fans in there. So obviously that's the face. That's the front. Whereas that one there, the front's on the side. You've got tempered glass there, as you can see, and then you've got your back end where all your bits stick out, power supply and all your wires and that all come out there. So that's a quick look around. What I do now is I'll take the tempered glass off. So only quick release thumb screws, which is handy. Just pulls off, so it's got some plastic to take off later, so move that out of the way. Put the screws up here out of the way so they're safe, I don't lose them. Inside the case looks like oh right, that's your signal for your remote control, so there should be a remote control here somewhere. So there's where you put your motherboard. There's your 1, 2, there's 2 fans in there. I thought there's 3. Oh, there's 1 below, sorry. There's 1, 2, 3. There's 1 down there. Well, that's good because it'll help with the power supply, keeping that cool. So where's the remote? I was saying in the bottom. You can't see it, so let's take the sides off. Luckily I've got my screwdriver handy. I don't lose it. Oh right, there. So there's your controller. So it does 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got 4 fans connected, all individually, and it's got room for a 5th one, which go in there, which is it when you do the top. You've got fan speed, you've got different modes, you've got LED speed as well. Oh look, you can do fan 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can get a lot of fans in there, so you could easily put another 3 down there. So we've got 3, 4, 5, you've got 6 slots, so you can put another 6 fans in there if you wanted to. So that is really good. So that's easy to do. Right. Hard drive bays, yeah, they're pop-out one by the looks of it. Oh, there you go. Oh, right, there's your controller. Can you see that? Yeah. I'll undo it. But we want to see what you're getting for your money, don't you? That's what it's all about. The reason I bought it is because it had a really good write-up on Amazon, so I should stick some links in there in case you decide you want to buy one in the description. So what'd you get? Oh right, so you get some cable ties. There's what, 6 there. Remote control. See that? What's that? A bit of cloth for cleaning the glass. And loads of screws for screwing in your bits and bobs. Oh, do you want to lose it? I thought they would all be in a bag, so there's loads of different size screws there. Quite handy, if you can see that. See that alright? So you've got loads of screws in there. Got some more there, bits and bobs. Oh, these are little blanks for you. I think they're for your USBs. So if you just want to shut USB connections off. Oh yeah, I haven't showed you that yet, have I? They're on the top. So these would go in there somehow. Just push in normally. Yeah. Oh, that's easy enough. That's what is that? Speaker. That's for your speaker. Oh, so it's a little speaker. So you can hear it beeping. Beep, beep. I don't normally worry about them, but I might put it on as it's there. I'm surprised that's not in the bag actually. Well, it was in the bag, but I thought them little bits would be in a separate bag like the rest. So I'll put them all back in there so I don't lose them. And then what I'll do, I'll get the camera. Now, what I'll tell you. Get the camera and I'll show you walk round on the PC case. So right, let's have a proper look round at a close up now. So what do we have here? So let's have a look, see what you got. So you have RGB, so you obviously can turn it on and off. USB 3, USB, probably USB 2, headphones, mic, USB, same again as that one, reset button, power button, then you've got your hard drive is on and hard drive flashing. And then you've got a tempered glass at the front, which I've got to take that off at some stage, a bit of plastic. And obviously you've got your case. So here's your fans, 1, 2, 1 down there. Loads of options for doing your cable management in there. Another one there. So what I'll do, I'll probably order another 2 fans and stick them up there. Right, so there's your sensor for your remote control, so that's got to go somewhere. And then in the bottom will be for your power supply, which is quite a bit of space in there, so you should get should take any size power supply. And nothing really to see there. Got a little cover for your graphics cards, plugging them in, and other PCI devices. There's a close-up of your controller. It's quite good actually. Like I say, get quite a bit in there. Quite a few connections. So with that, I'll start doing the build, which will be the next part of this video. So that's it. That's the unboxing of the Sahara P35 Black Edition. I don't think they do another colour, but I haven't really looked. I just like the black one anyway. And that's going to go down there in the corner, out of the way. Like I say, I'll do another video, do the build. Obviously I'll speed it up so you don't get bored. So thank you very much for watching, and if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. And I'll put, like I said earlier, I'll put some links in the description in case you decide you want to buy it. Thank you very much for watching.